Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone won't die mid-process. Plug in or confirm battery is above 50%. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network to prevent corrupt downloads and avoid mobile data costs. Now open Settings and navigate directly to System Update. Some Vivo models place it under About Phone. You do this to fetch the correct firmware for your model and maintain network stability. Proceed only when the update screen fully loads. You tap Check for updates and wait patiently for the server response. This confirms whether an OTA package exists for your exact model. When an update appears, read the changelog and note the file size and restart requirement. This tells you why the update matters and how long it may take. Next, choose Download and monitor progress. Make sure you don't close settings or force quit heavy apps. Keeping the screen active prevents background pauses or stalled downloads during You tap Install and allow the phone to reboot. During the update, it will apply files and optimize apps automatically, which may take several minutes. After reboot, verify the new build in Settings right arrow About Phone to confirm success. If the update stalls, force restart by holding power until the device reboots, then retry the install. If problems persist, clear system cache or backup data and use recovery mode to apply the package manually. This prevents data loss and restores update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.